Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Hello Word, the podcast where we explore the fascinating world of English vocabulary. I'm your host, Alex, and I'm thrilled to have you join me today. Our word of the day is cancel. It's a B2 level verb, and it means to stop something that was planned. So, what does it really mean to cancel something? Well, in simple terms, it means to decide that an event, meeting, appointment, or arrangement will not take place as scheduled. Think of it as hitting the pause button, but permanently, on a planned activity. It implies that there was an intention for something to happen, but now that intention has been revoked or nullified. You might cancel a doctor's appointment, cancel a trip, or even cancel a subscription service. Let's explore some synonyms for cancel. One common synonym is abandon. For example, due to the severe weather, they had to abandon their hiking plans. Another synonym is call off. You could say the concert was called off because the lead singer got sick. We also have rescind, which is a more formal synonym often used in legal or official contexts. An example would be, the university decided to rescind the offer of admission after learning about the applicant's past behavior. Then there's revoke, similar to rescind. The driver's license was revoked due to multiple traffic violations. And finally, nullify, meaning to make legally void or ineffective. The contract was nullified because it contained false information. Now, let's look at antonyms, words that have opposite meanings. One antonym for cancel is confirm. I need to confirm my reservation at the restaurant. Another antonym is arrange. For instance, we need to arrange a meeting to discuss the project. Then there's schedule. You might say, they will schedule another appointment for next week. Another option is book, often used for tickets or reservations. I need to book my flight to London. Finally, we have implement, meaning to put a plan or system into effect. The company will implement a new policy starting next month. How can you use the word cancel in everyday life? Well, you might say, I have to cancel my plans for tonight because I'm not feeling well. Or, please cancel my gym membership, as I'm moving to a different city. You could also hear someone say, don't cancel the party. We've been planning it for weeks. Here are a few more usage examples. The flight was canceled due to bad weather conditions. She had to cancel her date because of a family emergency.
Cancel that. I didn't mean to say that.
We've decided to cancel the contract with that supplier. Cancel culture is becoming increasingly prevalent in modern society. Cancel your subscription before the trial period ends. Can you cancel my order, please? I changed my mind. The game was canceled because of the rain. Cancel all further meetings on this topic. We need to cancel the noise and focus on the task at hand. So, to recap, cancel means to stop something that was planned. We explored synonyms like abandon, call off, rescind, revoke, and nullify. We also looked at antonyms such as confirm, arrange, schedule, book, and implement. Remember, cancel is a useful word for expressing changes in plans and arrangements. That brings us to the end of today's episode of Hello Word. Thank you for joining me on this vocabulary adventure. I hope you found it helpful and informative. If you enjoyed this episode, please subscribe to the podcast and leave a review. Your support helps others discover our show and expand their English vocabulary. Now, for your homework, create your own sentence using the word cancel and share it as a comment under this episode. I'm looking forward to reading your creative examples. Until next time, keep learning and keep exploring the wonderful world of words.